to print email messages in Gmail. So here is a simple step-by-step guide to print email messages in Gmail. So first of all you have to do is open the Gmail app on your device. But if you're using any desktop, then simply go to the gmail.com and sign in if needed. Also in your app, make sure that you are logged into your Gmail account. So once inside the Gmail account, all you have to do is tap on the any specific email message from your inbox in order to print it. So here I'm tapping on the first one for an example. So now once inside the email, tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner of your screen. But if you are using the desktop version, you can see printer icon available. Then tap on the print all option available there. And once you tap on it, a new window will open showing a printer-friendly version of the email. Choose a printer, adjust settings like pages, color, layout, and click print. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.